Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit the password page of Shopify. So firstly, go to your online store, then themes, click on customize, click on your home page, then scroll down and click on others, then password. Now over here you will have multiple settings, like for example password header. You can add a logo if you want to, then email sponsor banner, which is this one, and in that if you want you can add a background image. Then you can change the text over here. Let's say and if you want you can also hide the other text over here. Then you can also edit the password footer over here. You can choose from multiple color schemes, and you can also go to the theme settings and add a social media link to your password page just by simply entering the URL, and the link will be added over here. And for more customizations you can go to the theme setting over here, and you will have much more settings that you can do. So after making all the changes, just simply press save. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.